You guys asked, and I'm here to answer the call. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I make my Escrima sticks for Nightwing, and it's a really simple process, so I'm happy to share it with you guys. Today we're going to be making a pair of these. I'm going to walk you through the process. It's going to be a really quick video. I hope this is helpful, and it's going to be a really easy thing. I think anyone can do this, especially if I can, so let's get started right away. So that's it, guys. That's how you make your own pair of Nightwing Escrima sticks. Really easy, simple process. Remember, you can always do different things with yours. You don't have to do it exactly like mine. If you want to move where the foam pieces are, change the thickness of it, even use a different fixture for the end. But that's my basic recipe on how to make these sticks, so I hope you found that helpful. So make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Tell me in the comments if you want to see other videos like this, or if there's something specific you want to see. I did this video for someone who has been following me for a really long time on Instagram, who just reached out and was like, how do you make these sticks? And I literally just said, let me just make you a video real quick. So if there's something specific you want to see from me, please let me know. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you have fun making your own pair of sticks. If you do end up making a pair of sticks based on this video, please let me know. Share it with me, tag me on Instagram or Facebook, wherever you post it. I would love to see what you guys create. Take care.